All right, good evening, good afternoon, traders. My name is John Kerrigan. I moderate the BYOB Trading Room. Today is October 3rd, 2023. We're going to do the market wrap-up. Here's a chart, a daily chart of the SPY. Got a lower high and a lower low. We hit this uptrend line. We spiked it pretty good today. Still got an anchored VWAP coming in at 418.06. Actually 418.25. So that could be a target for tomorrow. It's a possibility. I think price probably meanders back and forth underneath this area here and over to the right between this and this pivot right here. SPY is in a daily downtrend with lower highs and lower lows. And of course, on the chart, you can see all three underneath our trend indicator here on the 17 EMA. QQQ, lower high, lower low, everything underneath trend indicator. On the daily chart, we got a lower high and a lower low. It's in a daily downtrend. QQQ about to break a possible neckline here pretty soon. FNGU, this is the one that moves the markets, broke the neckline, came back, H pattern rollover underneath the neckline. So far, it's got a lower high today, lower low. It's in a daily downtrend, making lower highs and lower lows. Really looking like a whole lot of consolidation. If we pull this back, and you can see prices consolidating just underneath the midpoint. Not a good sign. Like to see it up over the midpoint. But there's FNGU. And maybe if we pull it out to there, now we're over the midpoint if we take into effect this. So there's the consolidation. It's a long way. It's a long drop down to the consolidation area. But if you look over here to the left, we do have some support structures. So we'll see what happens with FNGU. Take a look at IWM. That's the Russell 2000. So here's IWM. Here is the head and shoulders. Right there. Breakdown. You can see here's the today's candle. Lower high, lower low. Daily chart in a daily downtrend with lower highs and lower lows. Break the neckline. Bears are in control. Just want to say one thing. We start breaking through major support. That's not a good sign. And this is consolidation. The minor support's up here. Okay, minor support's going to be this area up here. And the major support is going to be this area down here. Okay, so that's the tail sticking down and the wick sticking up. So we start breaking through this. That's not going to be good, traders. Diamond Dow. Diamond Dow breaking the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern. See the daily candle, lower high, lower low. Look at the daily chart. We got lower highs and lower lows. Again, we're wrapped up into the consolidation area. Again, if we start breaking the lows of this consolidation, that's not a pretty picture there. Could be a long drop down. So there's diamonds approaching the major support area right through here along 426, 427 area. So that's Diamond Dow. Let's take a look at SMH. SMH consolidating over to the right here. Got a lower high and a lower low. All in all, SMH is looking pretty good, trying to hold the midpoint. It's still set up that higher low right here on the hourly chart. I can see that. So SMH trying to make a defined effort to get back into the uptrend. Almost breaking this bearish downtrend right through here. So we can take this off. That looks confusing. And this, remove that. You can see right there, there's our downtrend. Bears trying to break that downtrend that we got. Bulls trying to break the downtrend. Here's our uptrend channel. Need to extend that. And bulls need to get back up over it. You can see they got there yesterday, and today they fell back through. So we'll see what happens. IYT, transports, lower high, lower low. Daily charts got a lower high and lower lows. It's in a downtrend. Bulls need to break the downtrend. Bears need to break the major support down here. Right now they're testing minor support. That's all the wicks up top here in this consolidation area right there. XLF. You can see a break of the head and shoulders pattern. Well, it's here somewhere, but I can just fix it up for you. There's your head and shoulders pattern right there. And you can see price action breaking through the neckline. Lower highs, lower lows. XLF struggling. It got roped into this consolidation right through here. So we'll see if they can spin it around underneath the midpoint. It's got a lot of work to do. Being underneath the midpoint, stuck in this consolidation. So they need to bring it back up and re-challenge this neckline area right there. XLF in a daily downtrend, not looking good. So markets, not doing too well. Kind of technically broken here. Let's take this out. Let's put a trend line in. Let's just see what this looks like here. See if we got a 3-touch. Not quite yet. So we could see a little more downside on the XLF till we get to the uptrend. And let's go take a look at our indicators. Here's T2122. Wow, is that low? 144 in the oversold area. So, I don't know if it can get lower than that. I don't know when's the last time I saw it, 144. That is incredibly oversold right there. T2123. Hey, no surprise, red all day. 3-bar. Well, if the 15-minute didn't give us any help, I don't think the 3-bar is going to look any better. FNGU indicator, just selling all day. Had one green 15-minute bar right there. The rest of the day they sold off. So there's FNGU. Go back and look at silver, gold, and USO. USO, here's crude oil. Crude oil just bull flagging over to the right here. Today's price action, little doji pause candle. Probably going to move more to the right again. UNG got a little lift today, not enough, but stuck between this 650, 750 range. So you can see here's a downtrend. Maybe they can break this downtrend right through here. There's UNG still consolidating, just kind of winding up. SLV. Lower high, lower low, broke the 2050 support area. Bears did their job. Bulls got a lot of work to do. Gold. Bears did their job. They broke the 175, lower high, lower low. And on the chart, we got lower highs and lower lows. Excuse me. So Bulls got a lot of work to do. Bears did everything that was asked of them. They broke the support level. All they got to do now is set another lower high, and we could see gold start falling apart below this support line right here. All right, traders, that's it for me. Did a lot of trading. My platform messed up today. Did not fill my orders. So I spent a lot of the day just kind of chasing down numbers so I could just quickly make it up and adjust it back to where it was. There weren't too many trades I'd recommend taking that I took. I was just quickly trying to repair what it did to my account. So that's it. I'll take questions in the room. And I want to thank everybody out there in YouTube land. Please consider a membership or a trial. And hit the like button if you like what you hear. And subscribe if you like it, if you like everything also.